following describes the connection method between the laser machine and the water chiller. First, unscrew the cover of the water injection port above the water chiller and inject water into it. On the right side of the back of the laser machine, there is a water inlet pipe and a water outlet pipe. First, connect the water inlet pipe to the outlet of the water chiller. Then connect the water outlet pipe of the laser machine to the inlet of the water chiller. Turn on the power supply of the water chiller, and the water chiller works normally. The laser machine is connected to the water chiller.